Welcome, students of Form 4. We are again talking about the free villages and about the free peasants and Crown Colony government. And this video will be about the Crown Colony government and especially about how did Britain get convinced that change was needed in their British Caribbean concerning its government. How did that idea reach the British government in Europe? The crown, like I said before, is a metaphor. It means the British government because officially it was led by the king, or in this case, even the queen. That's right, the crown. Let's look at the objective. Explaining adoption of crown colony government. So adoption means it was implemented. We're looking at that. And what was implemented? Implemented the crown colony government. And how did the British government come to that conclusion? Well, we're going to look at that some more, at that objective. Popular dissatisfaction. Explain in at least, very least, 4 sentences while incorporating social considerations, slave societies, the sugar industry, and unfavorable reports. Then during the second half of the 19th century, Theo Martin, yes, second half of the 19th century, British government became convinced change was necessary. So you got to use these 4 key topics or these 4 key words into your explanation. And the fourth one being unfavorable reports. Let's look at the answer. An example of the answer, of course. Social considerations were not the strongest point of the overseers appointed by the plantation owners who had left for Europe. So you see here, social considerations coming back into the answer. You've seen that one. Then the second phrase, the assemblies in charge of the Caribbean islands had the intent, the goal, the purpose of preserving much of slave society with their policies. So it's colorism, it's racism, it's hierarchy, yes, it's society. That was their intent of maintaining that. So slave society, we have, is it the first one? Yes, that's the second one again. So social considerations and slave society, we've seen those. Then the third, the white ruling class of the island became more oppressive. So they treated the farmers, the Afro-Caribbeans, the peasants more badly. Why? Because the sugar industry experienced much difficulties. The sugar industry experienced much difficulties. All this and the unfavorable reports about, for example, prisons, convinced the British government that change was necessary. Here, I refer back to the question at the very end to come to a conclusion. Yes? So I hope this was a very clear explanation about what a possible answer can be. It has to have these 4 elements: slave society, unfavorable reports, the sugar industry, and social considerations. It has to be an explanation, so there has to be some phrases in which you explain it, but it can be in your own words, like my example here shows. Yes? If you have questions, put them below, or put them in Google Classroom, or ask me in person what your question is. Yeah, or if you have a remark or a point of improvement, I'm always open to that. I hope you found this video informative, enlightening, and it gave you a clear idea about what I expect during tests and what the answer to this objective is. Have a nice day, and if you have that coming, enjoy your weekend. And of course, I hope to see all of you soon, alive and kicking and very healthy. Bye.